Okay, Pawpaw Sammy here. With my beehives now, I'm starting to get behind. So I really do not have time to make this stuff anymore from scratch. So I reach out and I order. What I've got here, I ordered 20 frames for the honey keep. Now, they come just like you see them raw. Okay? I take my little vice grips. I grip 5 of them at a time, set them down, take my drill, knock my holes in them. At 5 at a time, I can do this 40 in 3 or 4 minutes. Poop this over with. Then I start putting them together. Now what I usually will do is I'll put a little glue in that top, and I'll make sure my little brad nails go in, then in through here one time. The reason being, when you're in that hive and you prying around getting stuff loose and all that, your pressure is right there. And I have had these pull loose, just pull out. Then you got a frame in there full of honey, or brood or whatever, and you can't get to it, okay, without a mess. So take your time, put the glue here on the bottom. You can glue it if you want to. One tack usually will hold that bottom, because your strings and your beehive, your frame, I'll get it out in a minute. Your backing pretty well keep all the weight up here, very little down there. So, just take your time and do it, and you won't regret it.